I just wanted to make a quick video because I couldn't find anything about this on the internet. This is a Subaru Outback 2012, but this does apply to some other models, I think some legacy models in different years. Trying to replace the factory radio with a new radio, and there's this FM connector that's way down in there, and it's really difficult to get out. And I saw one other guy on the internet, he just cut this off, but I was trying to retain this in case I ever want to swap the factory radio back in. So first of all, there's two clips. So one of them, it clips this into the side, but the clip that you need to press to release this is, I don't know if you can see that, but you got to push in on this little, shit, I'm not really showing this well, but you got to push in on that, on this little tab here as you pull off this connector. Anyway, hopefully that helps somebody.